Hi everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day today. I have a beautiful selection of brand name and designer dresses. I have dresses by Art & Richards, by Morgan & Company, Taylor dresses, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, Adriana Papel, Nightway. I have different sizes. I have sizes all the way from size 6 all the way up to size 24. The majority of the sizes that I have in stock are sizes 8 to 18, but I do have, the smaller sizes and the plus sizes as well. You are definitely welcome to come visit in person. You can make your own selection by visiting in person, or if you want, you can place an order by WhatsApp through the website as well. And I will give you a beautiful variety of different dresses. I have evening dresses, office dresses, daytime dresses. I have dress sets. I have 2-piece dress sets, 3-piece dress sets. The dresses are all brand new. They will have the original labels and tags. Here's a beautiful off-the-shoulder dress. These dresses can retail in department stores for up to about $250 each. This is a nice prom dress. Long evening dress. This is a good dress that can be used for the office, especially if you work in a fancier environment. This dress here, it's a red dress with a nice buckle. This dress specifically is size 16W. You have another dress, size 16W as well. Blue dress with a buckle. Let me show you some plus size dresses. This dress is size 20W. This one here is 18W. You have some long evening white dresses. This one is size 8P. This one is size 910. Here we have a 20WP, 20 wide P dress. It's a dress set, it's a dress with a jacket. This dress is size 10. There's a nice prom style dress. Let me show you some of the shorter dresses. Here's a nightway dress, color green. It is size 18W. Here we have a dress by City Studio, size small. Jessica Howard dress, size 24W. This dress is an Art & Richards dresses, size 18W. This dress is by Nightway. Art & Richards, size 10. Here's a bar 3, size medium. Nice dress for a night out. Here we have a Tommy Hilfiger dress. This is a connected apparel dress. Here is a dress by Emerald Sunday. Here's a BCX dress, size 7. The majority of these dresses are overstocked from a very well-known American department store. Here's a Jessica Howard dress, size 6. Here's a BCX dress, size small. Here's an As You Wish dress, size medium. Jessica Howard dress, size 10P. Planet Gold dress, size medium. Here we have a Guess. Here's a dress by Guess. Here's a Rachel Roy dress. Nice office dress. Let's look at some of the dresses back here on the rack. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093. That's 1917-913-6093. And I am looking forward to doing business with you. You are definitely welcome to visit. And I hope you have an amazing, amazing day. Thank you so much for watching.